Team, I would like to explain training model, UAT before UAT. Before UAT, how to provide training sections to business users. This is very, very important point. When I was working as the on-site consultant, we followed one process. When I was working for offshore consultant, we followed one model. Clear? Right. So many students may expect we will provide directly training to the user. Example, on-site functional consultant will provide training to users. You may have this type of mindset, but different cases. Let me explain the chart, simple. Right. So on-site functionality, logically, or offshore functional consultant. If you remember, we mentioned approvers in each document. We can call key users. We can call managers from client side, business side. Then business users are there who can do base level or lower level data entry. Business users from client side. Then now these trainings will decide by before okay agreement with the client. Yes, okay. Scope of the work we have SOW. Whether on-site function consultant should give the training to directly key users or business user. Based on that, project cost will be differentiated and duration also will be extended. Many students, many employees may think on-site team directly give to business users. No, it's depend on client to client. When I was working for BMI Bank, on-site consultant from Satyam Computer. First, we provided training to the key users, managers. As I said, key users, approvers. Then they provided the training to business users. Why? Because business users very close to their manager. Any doubts, their team can easily compare to legacy. They can educate to business user, compare it to us. Example, you go and explain what is translation to business user. They may not understand new words. You may use the recurring word. You may use the Oracle terminology. They may not understand. They may understand, may not. We have some gaps. That is the reason, as for SOW, Satyam team provided the training to key users, CRP1, CRP2. Before ERP, before UAT, we have CRP2 clone instance. Key users explain to the business users. There is no additional cost for training. Here we explained users English language and Arabic language because of Bahrain. So that is the reason they have to understand what they need. But you may have the doubt, sir, Within the true trainings, key user can able to give the training, educate their subordinates. Yes, 99%. Sometimes they may request on-site team. We will provide training information to my colleagues, business user. Please be available. If I miss any point, any information, please help us. Or before training, we will share the CRP to clone instance to key users. They will do some practice, what they need, data entry. Later, they will provide. That is best model in the ERP set. Any year, we followed this one because business users easily sync to key users. They can talk own language. They can compare to legacy. That manager can easily educate them word to word, field to field, scenario to scenario. Some companies directly provide, okay, business users. Yeah, when I was working for offshore consultant, last project, I am the offshore consultant. Then my team requested me directly give the training to business users. Australia team. I log in early morning, 4 o'clock. I provided training to the business users like AR, AP. I provide. That is additional cost should be incurred by client team. You may ask me, why did you give? Simple. We have parent company in America, Australia company, offshore from India. US team, US key users, parent company manager, they told us it is difficulty to adjust the timings. There is a lot of difference. There is many hours different. You can go, you can provide training. Then I provided from option. How to create a customer manual, how to create invoice in AR, then AP, how to create suppliers, how to process invoice. I prepared PPT. I explained daily 2 hours. That is recorded section. So you need to understand. But what I recommend, this is best option. On-site functional or offshore, key user to business user. If I give the offshore to or on-site to business user, your terminology, they may not catch it. First time they are coming to Oracle Fusion or EBS ERP, right? That is the reason. This is the model designed by SOW time, not middle of the project. If client says, I need local language people for training, software company should arrange immediately before UAT if they need it. I have seen that in my experience. Coming to even Hyderabad, Ramki construction, when they are provided training, they taken functional team from the TCS, known Telugu people, known Hindi language, known English language common. These three languages, if consultant known, he can explain down to down level, he can explain more detail. That is the reason north side nowadays, any clients are there like Polycab, any construction companies, if they are recruiting, they are asking directly interview time, do you know Hindi language or not? Because you need to interact with the my users with the local language. If you are talking English, supporting time, implementation time, they may feel a barrier. They may feel uncomfortable. They used to ask these type of questions. I have seen in my experience. That is the reason most important how to drive the UAT training to make successful without fail, because it is go or no go live decision before production, right? Client says any like User manuals are there. We will prepare user manuals with the screenshot, how to create invoices, how to create journal. We will prepare test cases. We will prepare PPTs, how to log in, how to minimal or standard that PPTs we have to educate them. Thank you.